Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryanna Romero and today I'm going to be doing a video on how I curl my hair. So this was a highly requested video on my Twitter, my Instagram. If you guys don't know, I came back from a trip from Italy and I had posted pictures with my boyfriend and they went very viral. If you don't know, I'll insert a picture from Twitter here. So yeah, people really liked how my hair looked in that picture and I got so many comments on what I use and how I curl my hair and how my curls frame my face. So that is what I'm going to be showing you today. And then also I got a little bit of questions on what shampoo I use to keep my hair looking blonde. The shampoo I use to keep it blonde is the Redken purple shampoo, and honestly it helps my hair so much. And you're not supposed to use it like more than once a week, but I do because I also mix it in with this shampoo, which is the Matrix Biolage, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and it's a mint shampoo because I do sometimes get dandruff. I'm not gonna lie, everyone's human. Sometimes people have dry skin, and like me, I have very dry skin and a very dry scalp, so I combine the two. So I feel like the purple doesn't really like it's not really enhanced as much because it's with another shampoo. But and then I just use regular conditioner, and I feel like that's why my hair is really healthy, because I condition the heck out of my hair. And I should probably do hair masks, but I believe that'll help your hair too with damaged hair if you bleach it like I have. But yeah, other than that, I do use a thicker wand when curling my hair because I like my curls to be more voluptuous and big rather than smaller and just tinier curls that are more tight. I like it to be a little loose. So yeah, with that being said, let's just jump into the video. So I did skip a step because my hair is naturally like crazy curly wavy. It can't make up its mind on what it wants to be, so I just straighten the top parts because I don't like bumps to show, because I don't curl my hair up all the way, and sometimes there's like creases and like dents and stuff and it doesn't look good. So I straightened it out, and I might be looking over here because I do have a mirror so I'm able to see what I'm doing, obviously. And yeah, first I'm gonna just part my hair. I'm not sure how people part their hair, but I part mine down the center, but for now I'm just gonna part it half up, half down. There we go. And then my hair curler isn't even plugged in. Alright, so next what I do is I take the two bottom halves and then I split those in half. And then I usually start on the left side for some reason. I'm not sure why. But yeah, and then I just clip this one and like leave it over there for a while. So I'm sorry if you hear stupid parrots outside. They will not stop screeching, so disregard that. But yeah, I usually start from the back and work my way forwards, and that's just what we're gonna do. So I take a good portion of hair, not too much, otherwise it'll not curl properly, and then I take it underneath and then curl over it, and then I just let it sit for I don't know how many seconds, just whatever I feel like is the right amount of time. Then I'll also like move it around sometimes, so like go up, bring it down, go up, bring it down, just so it's not like stuck in the same place, if you know what I mean. Alrighty, and then I don't like my curls to be super tight either, so then I don't like carry it like that. I just let it fall, and then you have your first curl. And then I'll just do a couple more for you guys for the underneath part of my hair. So I just take it underneath, wrap it around, and then curl up, move down, curl up, move down. And then I'm holding on to the end piece, and I sometimes unwrap it and then sometimes curl it back over because the ends of your hair curl faster than the top. And then I let it unravel. And there you go, pretty little curl. I have a lot of hair, so I'm not gonna do all of it on camera because this would be like an hour-long video. But yeah. So I finished the bottom left half of my hair, so now I'm going to unclip this side, and then I just kind of section it off like this. For some reason I don't do this on my right side. It's just easier for me to do it on my left, like without having to section it off. So I just take it like this, then clip it up here. Looks a little goofy, but that's how I do it. And I start from the back as well. So I'm just gonna grab a piece, and then this is where it gets a little tricky, and I actually just learned this recently. Like, I've been curling my hair wrong, I guess, for a long time, and my boyfriend's sister Daisy taught me how to do it correctly. So you take your left hand, because to curl my left side I take my right hand, but to curl your right side you take your left hand, and you do the same exact thing. It's just underneath, but you're just using your left hand, and like the wand is facing back. And there you go. It's a cute little wavy curl. And then I just toss it in the back, and then I start on the rest. So I'm on my last piece, and I just wanted to say that I would curl it before like this. And there's a difference between curling it that way and then this way, because before all of the curls were going the same exact direction, but when you curl it this way, it's making sure that your hair is curling back like that. So it kind of gives it that like blowing, there's wind blowing in your face effect. And you'll see it at the end when my layers, I don't even have layers, it's just like little bangs, they curl back, and it looks really pretty. And I think that's why a lot of people were asking me questions on how I curl my hair. So once my hair is parted down the center, it's not the best part, but I'll fix it once oh my gosh, I have hair breakage. Like, look how short this hair is. I never even noticed that. Okay. Anyways, that piece of hair is freaking gone. I leave the rest of the curls behind my head just so I know like what's curled and what's not. Otherwise I sometimes like mess up and like leave a piece out. So I do the same exact thing, like the same curling motion. On the left side I'll take my right hand and curl it so that it's facing, the curls are facing back. And sometimes my curls won't turn out perfect the first time and I go over them, and it sounds kind of bad because that sounds damaging, but honestly that's like how my hair like works. And my hair doesn't damage like super terribly, honestly. Like, my hair is pretty healthy for the amount of bleach and stuff I've put in it, and like how I straighten it all the time, but it's pretty good. Alright, and now that we're closer to the face, I have like this strand of hair left, and I know it's really small, but I still separate it into two just because they're different lengths, and I like my little long bang to be a different curl because I want it to be closer up towards my scalp. But for this one I don't make it as high up, I just bring it down a little lower. And then I don't leave this one on for that long because I want it to look more natural since it's closer to my face. And see, it drops down a little looser. And then for this one I can make it tight at the very top so it keeps that curl and like that little wave away from my face. And then I curl the bottom too, and those can be a little looser. And there you go, it'll curl away like that. And then this is the rest of the curls. Apparently I missed this piece. Alright, so this is my left side and I like how it turned out. I think it looks cute. So I'm just gonna finish out my right side, and once I get closer to my face I'll start showing you guys that, because the frame of the face is like the most important. But like I had my left hand holding the wand back like that, you're gonna do the same exact thing. So the opposite of the right side, and then once I get closer to my face I'll show you guys what's going on. Alright, so like I said I was gonna do, I'm going to take the last strand here. And then I go like this on top and curl it close to my head so that it goes back, and then I tilt it backwards so that it curls back like that. Alright guys, so I have completed curling my hair. I hope I answered a lot of your guys' questions, and I hope you guys liked the finished look, because I love how it turned out today. If you guys haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and leave any video requests you have in the comment section. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!